Friend, this is Professor Manoj Kumar, Managing Director and CEO, IEDUI, Industrial Education India Private Limited. Today I take an opportunity to make acquainted the Indian youth, be it the technical or non-technical, to have their pros and cons related to their employability, irrespective of the educations or the professional qualifications or the technical qualifications they pursued or sought. Friend, indeed it is very hard to ignore the fact that the Indian youth are the forerunner in terms of education, but on the other hand they are having the very slow pace in order to have the skill and competency development. Recently, the report of the UNESCO says that the Indian youth age ranging from 15 to 24 are having the literacy rate of 95.2%. Really it is very attractive and sound good. But on the other hand, when the youth face an interview for a particular job or for the higher education, then they don't stand the competent in that field. So it is very exaggerating for us. Friend, if we talk about the engineering as per the CP Gurnani, the CEO of the Tech Mahindra, and he said that the 14 lakhs engineers are graduating from the different university and colleges, but hardly the 6% students engineering graduates are able or eligible to manage their job in the top 10 IT companies across the globe. Hence the 94% of the engineering graduates, they are the unemployable. Really it is very shocking news for all the engineering students. Friend, we know very well that even the fact and figures of the IITian is also not encouraging. In the year 2016 and 17, only 66% IITians managed to get their job in a corporate world. So rest 34% is still unemployable. Now it very clearly reveals the very shadow picture of the Indian education system, that even the IITians, the top IITians, their employability ratio is very challengeable. But as far as the management student is concerned, as per the NASSCOM reports, only 7% management graduates are employable. And similarly, the Aspiring Minds report is also not encouraging for the management student, but still they are in a good position from the engineerings. But the thing is that what should consider to fade away the unemployability problems of the youth, particularly the technical and non-technical. So all the research has found out that the basic reason for the unemployability is their skill and competency development. So friend, don't be afraid, don't get frustrated. You will have to schedule or strategize your skills and develop your domain expertise along with the communication skills, so that your employability will phenomenally enhanced and all that. On the other hand, by 2022, there are 60 lakhs engineers, graduate engineers are required by the government. This is the report of the NSDC. Similarly, if we talk about the recent data of 2018 about the employability condition of the Indian youth, the employability reveals that 3.1 crore youths are unemployable or the unemployed in this country. Really it is very, very question mark before the society, before the community, and before the industry and academia as well. So my humble urge is that to avoid or to minimize the unemployability, please focus on your skill development related to your domain and develop the expertise, so that you will be the competent guys and to face all the challenges, will get the lucrative packages and the industry as per your desire and all that. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.